There is a quiet kind of beauty that lives in natural wood, something warm, grounding, and incredibly human. Long before wood becomes furniture, decor, or carefully polished pieces displayed in our homes, it exists in its pure form. It grows, it bends, it weathers the seasons, and it carries the marks of nature itself. Every grain tells a story. Every knot feels like a fingerprint. Every line reveals a history shaped by wind, sun, time, and the earth. And in a world where so many things are created fast, replicated endlessly, and designed to be replaced quickly, natural wood offers the opposite experience. It invites us to slow down. It encourages us to appreciate imperfections. It reminds us that everything beautiful doesn't have to be perfect, and everything meaningful doesn't have to be mass-produced. Today's narration is a journey into that world, the world of raw and rustic wood crafting. If you've ever picked up a branch and seen potential, if you've ever looked at a fallen piece of wood and imagined what it could become, or if you simply love decor that feels earthy and real, then you're in the right place. Natural wood craft is not just about creating objects, it's about connecting with materials that already have soul. It's about letting nature guide your hands as you bring an idea to life. It's the kind of craft where you don't need perfection, you only need curiosity, patience, and an appreciation for organic beauty. In this extended narration, we'll go deeper into the emotional side of crafting, the creative side, the practical side, and the artistic side. We'll explore how raw wood can transform any home, how crafting can transform your mindset, and how natural elements can add warmth, personality, and authenticity to everyday living. So settle in. Let your imagination open. And let the story of natural wood inspire ideas, memories, and creativity as we explore together the raw and rustic magic of handmade wood projects for every home. Working with natural wood has a way of drawing you into the moment. Unlike machine-cut lumber or perfectly finished boards, raw wood feels alive. It demands attention not because it is difficult, but because it is expressive. When you hold a piece of natural wood in your hands, you can feel the subtle curves, the weight, the warmth, and the character of the material. It doesn't hide its flaws, and that honesty gives you freedom. Most crafts start with an idea, a design, or a sketch. But natural wood often works the opposite way. The piece itself tells you what it wants to be. A twisted branch may suggest a decorative accent, while a weathered plank might inspire a rustic sign. A tree stump could become a stool, a small side table, or a natural pedestal for plants. Instead of shaping the wood to fit your idea, you learn to shape your idea to fit the wood. This is what makes raw wood crafting so deeply creative, it's a collaboration. You are not forcing the material, you're guiding it. You're enhancing what nature already built. And this mindset of partnership brings a peaceful, almost meditative quality to the craft. As you work, you start noticing things you may have never paid attention to before. The direction of the grain changes how the surface feels beneath your hands. The density of the wood affects how it cuts, sands, and shapes. The natural lines become part of your design without any effort. You begin to see how even the roughest, most irregularly shaped piece can become something meaningful, functional, and beautiful. This is the magic of rustic style, it embraces perfectly imperfect beauty. Unlike modern decor that focuses on sleek surfaces and sharp lines, rustic wood celebrates texture, irregularity, and warmth. A cracked edge becomes an artistic feature. A knot becomes a focal point. A curve becomes a natural design element. And because no two pieces of raw wood are ever the same, every project you create becomes a one-of-a-kind piece. As you continue crafting, you realize how natural wood influences the atmosphere of a home. Wooden decor instantly adds warmth, grounding energy,
and visual comfort. It makes a room feel lived in, calm, and connected to nature.
A single piece of raw wood art can soften a modern living room, brighten a minimalist space, or add personality to a neutral interior. One of the most striking things about natural wood decor is how versatile it is. You can build pieces that feel rustic and vintage, modern and artistic, or even elegant and refined. The wood itself adapts to the space. This is why designers love using natural elements in interior decorating. They give the home character without overwhelming it. But the real journey begins when you start experimenting with different types of wood. Each variety carries its own voice. A piece of cedar brings a comforting scent and rich color. Pine is light, workable, and soft. Oak offers strength and timeless appeal. Driftwood carries the memory of water. Each tree offers something unique, and each type of wood creates a different mood. As you work through project after project, something else happens. You start developing a relationship with the craft. You begin discovering your style. Some people love lightly sanding the surface while leaving the bark intact. Others prefer to strip everything back to reveal clean grain. Some use natural oils to enhance the color, while others prefer leaving the wood raw and untouched. There is no wrong approach, there is only what feels right to you. And natural wood crafting is deeply satisfying because you can see progress with every step. Even the smallest change, sanding a rough edge, smoothing a corner, adding a protective finish, brings the piece closer to life. It feels rewarding, grounding, and even therapeutic. There's also something powerful about creating decor that doesn't come from a store.
Natural wood crafts remind us that beauty doesn't need polish, perfection, or elaborate decoration. Sometimes the most meaningful creations come from the simplest materials shaped by nature long before we ever touched them. Every piece of wood holds a story, and when you craft with it, you add your own chapter. As you continue your creative journey, let raw wood inspire you. Let its texture spark ideas. Let its imperfections guide your designs. Let its natural warmth breathe life into your home. Whether you're crafting for yourself, for your family, or for the joy of making, trust that every project you create carries meaning. Your hands, your imagination, and nature's gifts come together to form something beautiful, something unique, something that reflects your creativity and your connection to the world around you. And that is the true power of rustic wood crafts. If you found inspiration in this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support keeps creativity alive and helps this community grow. Together, we'll continue exploring the beauty of nature, the power of handmade art, and the endless possibilities waiting in every piece of wood. Let creativity guide you. Let nature speak through your craft. And let your home become a place filled with warmth, authenticity, and handmade beauty that tells your story.